Hello, everyone, and welcome to another quick scan scalping session with me, Ben and Raffa, the other guy on the channel here. How you doing, Raffa?
Doing good, thanks. Hi Ben,
Good.
hello everyone.
Yeah. Let us know if you're here. I see Roman is here.
Morning.
Probably more people will come in soon to see me hit that 20% trade in an hour. The holy grail. Dimitri's here on his mobile. That's good.
Mobile, yeah.
Nice. Right. So where's the chart? Well, I wanted to talk about something else first, and that is the launch of Toobit Exchange. If you've been on Altrady, then you may have seen another futures exchange there, but now we wanted to announce it. So yeah, and yet another futures exchange that you can trade on Altrady. And why should you use Toobit? Like, big deal, big whoop. Well, the thing is, especially for people like me, I'm from the Netherlands. We don't have many places where we can trade futures. Now, obviously, I've got my ways around it so that I'm able to trade on Binance futures, but not many people have that ability. But with Toobit futures, you can trade already. If you're a Dutch resident, European, as long as your country is not sanctioned. And that means that even you US people can trade futures on Toobit. Isn't that amazing?
That's right. Even in Italy, it's the same situation. So finally, I can trade some future on exchange.
Yeah,
Great.
exactly. And of course, we had Hyperliquid, which is the same. Like, you don't need KYC for Hyperliquid, but a lot of these, like the Hyperliquid is slightly more difficult if you're used to trading on an exchange. So setting it up, creating an account there is a little bit more cumbersome. But on Toobit, it's just the same as any other exchange.
Yeah.
Sign up, do your verification, and yes, you can do your verification. If you're a US citizen, doesn't matter. Dutch citizen, doesn't matter. European citizen, doesn't matter. You can sign up. And you can trade futures. So if you're a little bit bummed out about the market and thinking like it's going to go down and I have no way to trade because I can only trade spot, not today. You can trade futures again on Altrady. All right, so let's get started with some futures trading then, because that's ultimately what we're here for. So I have not set up Toobit on this account, so I will be using our trusty Bybit account also because we've been using this and we've been using our portfolio of 200 and we started with 170, so we're now at 240 in less than a year. I'd say that that's a pretty good result.
It is, Ben. It's objective good results, and after this live, it will turn to 250. So
yeah, because keep in mind, we only do this for an hour a week.
1 hour per week, so actually is quite less time. Yeah,
quite an interesting profit run. In case you're wondering, what are all these drawings? Those are from the Smart Money Concept webinars that we do. So if you're interested in Smart Money Concept, by all means, join us on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. Today we'll be looking at the chart patterns layout. Why is it chart patterns layout? Because I did a webinar about chart layouts once and kind of got stuck on this one. So what are we doing today? We're doing the quick scan. We're using the strategy of the Bollinger Band and RSI combinations, meaning if we see oversold or overbought situations. The new exchange is Toobit. Toobit. If you go to Altrady, you will find it at the bottom, like right here on their futures. It's a good exchange.
Many new release on Altrady. New exchange, website coming soon, new dashboard, big change. Yeah. Big change.
Many changes. Many changes. So yeah, we're going to be doing the quick scanner. Quick scanner is right here. What are our settings? Time frame 15 minutes. USDT pairs only, of course. USD volume of 1 million. And we're looking for 3% drops and rises, depending on if we want to go long or short. And the question is, what do you want? I always ask Raffa. Raffa, what do you think? Are we going to go long or short?
All right. So I was ready to ask you that today was your turn, but you you were first. But yeah. So today is the Thanksgiving Day in the United States. So Wall Street is closed. I don't expect that much volume, but we had like $13 billion on Bitcoin options expire. So I would like to go long. Of course, I'm a big bull. Sorry, man. So you should look for some short. Yeah.
You should change your hat and just have the ones with the horns on them.
I want to buy the bull statue to put on my desk. That will be like my big dream for next year, to have like the big bull with
The bull paperweight.
yeah. So I can say I'm finally a real trader. If you don't have a bull statue, you are not a trader at all.
Is that true? Is that why my trades are failing? Do I need to get a bull? Okay. Okay, so let's go over to this. What do I think? Well, I think short term we're slightly, for Bitcoin, we're slightly in a little bit of a recovery, sideways movement. So I think in the next, like in this hour, we're going to see some volatility. I expect that.
Okay.
Roman says, where do you get these facts about real traders?
About
Wikipedia. I get all my facts from Wikipedia. And ChatGPT. Yeah, because ChatGPT is using Wikipedia, so therefore it must be true.
I'm trying to use Gemini right now and switch to the Google AI.
Yeah, is that
It's faster. It's faster.
Okay.
But yeah, it's not the topic for today. So let's look for a trade.
We also have the Black Friday sale going on, if you haven't noticed it. 3 days left. Time's taken, people. Time is taken. All right. So do we need to say what we're thankful for? I'm thankful for Bitcoin telling us to go short. No, I'm thankful for this bounce. Let's hope we can get maybe some nice drop in this and then a correction there. Yeah, so maybe we might be looking for some long still. Yeah, I think I agree. Long.
Oh, yeah, but also a retest on the moving average is still possible on Bitcoin.
This one. I don't really like the volume on this one. Like the candles are just a little bit too neurotic for my taste. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna. Let's check Yalla. Oh, Yalla is there. No, we don't want Yalla now. We've had good success with Yalla, but we don't want that now. PTB. Nope. Iris. Nope. FIDA. Nope. AT. Nope. H is dropping. Oh, H.
So ugly charts so far.
Yeah, but you see the volatility is starting. Let's see. 15 minutes. Are we there? I think if we can get in here, we might see the recovery back to this fair value gap.
Yeah.
If you're wondering what is this fair value gap, how is it drawn? It's the smart money indicator by Altrady, included in the essential and premium packages. I'm gonna leave this open. Gonna check. Flux. What's Flux doing? That looks like it's.
Ooh. Okay. Okay.
That's a different type of candle. That's a different type of candle.
1 million volume daily, so it looks like a manipulated pump.
Ooh, that's
so risky, then. So risky.
Yeah, we might already be a little bit too late. Yeah, we're too late.
It's always the same pattern. We wasting time talking about bullshit, and then one candle wipe out our entry. Though.
Yeah, this was the trade. I was just about to set it up, and I missed it. Oh wow. Soda's a bit late, but he is there.
Oh, finally.
We can start. Soda's here.
Yeah. One member was missing. Now the real game starts.
But we're already 12 minutes in, and I haven't gotten a position yet. What's this? We had, yeah. No, do I want to? I mean, it's looking nice now, actually. Please don't go without me. It's too, yeah. I mean, this could be a nice one, but not if our profit is already removed. So we'll expire the position when it's there. Otherwise, this one's it. Let's look at H.
Fake breakout.
Yeah, but now I'm liking it. Now I'm liking it. And why am I liking it? Because we see RSI is also, and stochastic is also low. That's a nice risk reward ratio. Let's set the size correctly, and let's just remove this one. We can wait just a tad, perhaps to see this candle close. Oh, we're in Faye.
Oh yeah.
Five seconds left for this one. I do think if we can close it green, I will take it. Or are we gonna go lower? Nah, let's see if we can make H work. We can. So that's good. All right, let's wait for this position to be there. Okay. And add another target. Let's look at the 15-minute. Yeah, first one can be here a little bit. Yeah. Okay, let's look at Faye.
So have you placed another buy order on H?
Yeah, we're now have two open positions.
Okay.
And with this one, I also want to increase it. See if we can get some. That's a big one though. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. It's a bit slower today, isn't it? But as you said, it's giving, so perhaps.
Wall Street is closed, so that's why I don't expect much volume.
Oh, Wall Street is even closed.
Yeah.
See, I'm so involved.
Yeah, and tomorrow also it will be open only half day, so actually the month is gonna be closed sooner, and next week is already December. So the coming days, I don't expect too much volatility or sudden moves on Bitcoin and crypto in general. Oh my God!
Look at that.
Flux.
That is crazy.
Okay.
That is a crazy candle.
Oh, it's the one we were staring at earlier?
Yeah.
So ugly.
Yeah, you don't want to be in that one. I mean, you want to be. Well, we wanted to be in that one, but
yeah, we truly want to.
Oh, this is. I might be tempted. This is looking like it's going parabolic.
Yeah.
And we all, look at that. Oh, we all know what happens with parabolic markets, right? If you see
what happens,
they crash. They always tend to crash. And we've had several breakouts here. So I'd say I'd say we're gonna go this one. David is saying, Mr. Market recap. Are we hitting bullish flag on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana? I'm slightly. Yesterday, if you asked me yesterday, well, when you asked me yesterday, my answer was like I was bullish. Then it was like moving sideways and dipping lower, but then actually it recovered after some news and it was bullish. And I think we're now seeing more bullish recovery. Yeah, so I'm slightly bullish on Bitcoin at the moment. Let's see. I do like this setup. I mean, look at it. That's just a really nice trade. I'm not sure if we can get there, but I'm gonna be risking it for the biscuit. And otherwise we just add. Okay, so we have 3 positions. That's about as much as I want to manage now. So
and 2 pending orders.
Let's create some space. Oh yeah, and obviously oh wait. Just use my quick increase button. Do we have something? Yeah. Yeah, it's actually quite good already. I think we may have been a little bit too preemptive on this one because the candle is closing green. But who knows? We might be seeing something nice on the next trade. just lock in the tabs so it's easier for me to maintain them. So right now we've bought outside the Bollinger Band. Stochastics were low on the 3 minutes, I should say, because we switched to 15. But yeah, on the 3 minutes, stochastics were fine. RSI was low. And we're set our take profits towards this fair value gap. That's been working out well in the past, so let's stick to something that works. Bollinger Band was outside. Initially, I didn't really like these because these candles are a little bit meh, but it started to show better signs, and this is more of a better reaction.
Yeah, at least try to ride the rebound.
David says it looks like risky business. Trading is always a risky business.
I mean, every business is risky. There is no safe business out there. So nothing is certain except death. So everyone should try to do its best. Daga.
Dashag. I don't know. Experience will come naturally. You're definitely on the right channel. Yes. Couldn't agree more. Also, there should be some button where you can click a like and subscribe. That's also a good idea. And that's free. That's zero risk. Better than the usual hype train, people grabbing bullshit. Oh yeah, we'll do it live. We'll take the losses, so you don't have to. And we're explaining along the way, like we're just waiting now. And we've got 2 sides covered. So on SQD, for example, we're happy for it to go to this level, and we're even more excited for it to go to this level. So again, either way, we're happy about this trade for now. This one, I don't know. Is this chart even moving, or are we on the 15? Yeah, I was gonna say this candle is stuck there for a while.
Yeah.
We're on the 3 minutes. Oh, this looks like. Ugh. So we need to keep a closer eye on H, because we want it to pop back to this, but it might not. It might go sideways for the rest of the live stream.
Probabilities are quite high.
It's nice that we have 2 different directions and all of them are in the right. This is real life trading, people. This is real life trading. Where should I trade EU citizen? I mean, bound to USDC pairs. Well, you've missed the beginning of this live stream, is where we announced Toobit futures. If you're an EU citizen, on Toobit futures, you can trade with USDT. You can trade the USDT pairs, and we've added Toobit in here, and you can see all these nice markets that you can trade. All of them you can trade. And you might think, well, is there like any volume? Yeah, there is quite a bit of volume. Like this is in Bitcoin, right? So 100 Bitcoin, 1,000 Bitcoin. Like there's decent volume. I can change the filter, by the way, so that it's in dollars, so it makes more sense. See, 14 million, millions. There we go. Still millions. So if you're doing the quick scan, you could have traded all these pairs on Toobit futures in a Are they legal? I mean, yeah, I suppose so. I mean, I don't know if they're following all the rules in all the countries, but
Yeah,
you
of
can.
course, they respect the UE regulation.
Yeah, well, I'm not sure if they MiCA registered yet, or if they're in the works of MiCA registration. That's possible, of course. We would have to see that.
You just need to be very, very careful when doing some trade on futures because it's not like spot, so you have a leverage.
I mean, they're in the top 18 of CoinMarketCap, so it's not like it's a shady exchange.
Double entries. I mean, double entry on SQD.
Yeah, we're already on double entries. This one's going like crazy. But this is unsustainable, people. This is unsustainable. And it's hitting the 4-hour 200 moving average. So that's interesting.
Yeah, nice trigger.
So the 200 moving average is here. So that usually when it moves like that does give a bounce. Like we could be risking a lot here. But as long as we haven't seen any recovery yet, DCAing right now is not a bad thing. Like it's gonna come down at some point. How far? We don't really know, but it's unsustainable to have this for such a long time. And this is a parabolic move.
The real struggle here is just to wait for the right time.
Yeah, so we're gonna see some drawdown here. Like right now, $8 drawdown. Liquidation price is like quite high, somewhere 1.4 even. Yeah, 141. So there. So we've got. I don't think we need to be worried about that. I mean, that would be a massive bummer. But yeah, that's unlikely. What else do we have? Yeah. Okay. This is still moving sideways. This is looking like it's going to go down. Hey, and we might be blowing this account. We might. Wouldn't that be a live stream? If we blow our account on a live stream, then
that's ending of the webinar.
Yeah.
We will try a new format now.
I'd have to call my parents out for a loan. Oh dear Lord! Did you find any news on SQD? That something like, cause this is blowing through the. This is blowing through the 200 moving average on the 4-hour.
Yeah, but I mean the main trend is so bearish. This is just a pump with no solid foundations. So you're right, Ben. It's just time to wait for a big dump. The problem is, do we have enough liquidity to stay alive?
Well, not to continue to buy, no, because then because our liquidation price will come a lot closer in that case. So yeah. And we've also got the other positions, so we might need to get some Jesus, what a move.
Can you measure the move since 2 p.m. till now? How many percentage it
From here?
went up? Yeah, from there,
32.
33%. So there will come one time where the bulls, the buyers, have to make the profit, and to make the profit, they have to sell.
I mean, this would be 100% move. That's unlikely. Not uncommon, but unlikely. It would suck if that happens, but that's what you get for doing cross leverage 20x.
Hello, Josele. Oh, that's good to hear, David. Nice.
I mean, if we close this trade right here, that would be a big trade.
For sure, for sure.
That would be a very big trade.
Can we see the volume, like downside, the indicator volume, the bars? Oh, 1, 2. Okay. There were no volumes before, and just in few minutes, huge spikes. Look at that, only green bars. Yeah, that is not sustainable. That is not sustainable at all.
I mean, even here would be a better target, but that's going to take a while. The thing is, I can't really manage it either if it moves like this, because there's no bounce or no drop, like no red candle. Like
No
where
correction.
where do I take a little bit of risk off? It's not there. How are the other positions doing? Still sideways. $27 in drawdown. Oh, trailing TP and hope for the best. Yeah, we're either going to blow the account or we're going to be making another 15% profit on this trade.
Is this your worst PnL ever, Ben, on this account?
The drawdown?
Yeah, the drawdown in this account.
Yeah, I think so.
I think so.
Yeah.
You are being brave and more brave week by week.
Yeah. Someone's got to. Well, I mean, it's going to be a lesson anyway, right? It's either going to be a lesson of patience pays off, or it's going to be a lesson of see what happens when you trade with 20x levers and no stop loss. Anyway, we're here to teach you that lesson with our money, so you don't have to. But it's a lesson.
Yeah, you can practice with paper account. I mean, guys, but better to watching live with real money. How it could burn your account in just seconds.
Just turn the volume profile off because it's just in the way anyway.
Here we go, Ben. Now is the time for the bulls to take the profit and run away.
Yep, we've got 3 seconds in this candle. This is definitely going to be a bearish candle. Can we see the position going into the green? That's the question. Blow again against the screen. Down, down. Eh. Come on.
Yeah, this candle is quite important.
This will be the maker or the breaker. If we close below it, like there was a fair value gap right here, but if we close below it, then we're good.
Come on.
But actually, to manage it a little bit, I don't want it to go past this point again anytime soon. So if that happens, we'll take the loss, I suppose. Did we hit something? No.
It could ended up a doji candle and then the next candle again. Big drop. So big surprise.
Yeah, I just don't want it to be the pullback because that would suck. But there's like this imbalance here on the 15-minute as well. Like, let's look at the 15-minute, see where we are. Yeah,
Wow.
huge.
There is a lot of space for down move.
We get a new fair value gap here, by the way.
Oh.
Is there a shortcut on the keyboard to place the order after edit? Yes, enter. If you're in any field, if you press enter, it will confirm, or it will set the form up. Oh, that's a nice red candle.
Okay. Let's go.
I'm so in doubt at what to do. It's so tempting because yeah. Let's what do I do? Do I reduce it?
Or just close it at break even. So
no, definitely not doing that.
Fair deal.
Yeah, I'm definitely putting the stop loss there. I don't want to be caught. With the stop loss there. And on the next
FAG is rising.
Nice.
Ooh. Okay.
Nice.
This is what we are looking for. The second bearish candle. Let's go. Yeah, you can save the layout, right, Ben? You If there is possibility to save drawings, you just can save your layout and load it every time you want it.
Is there a possibility to save drawings? And so yeah, you can, if you click on this, it will save your drawings. Yeah, it'll save your drawings. And then when you load the chart again, it will show you your drawings that you made before. I'm actually a little bit nervous for this trade. I'm going quiet because this could be a monster trade.
Yeah, definitely.
But it doesn't look like it because I have to take this risk off. The move has to be down because this market is so like going upwards that this could well be a pullback, and I don't want it to be a pullback. I'm okay with the loss. If this ends up being a loss, then I'm okay with that. Then at least we've tried. But this
trade is more like a lottery ticket.
A little bit, yeah. I would say a little bit, yeah. Yeah, because look, the RSI is also showing different things. But I mean, a quick, come on. Just as fast as you went up. If you can go, no. There we go. We're out. That's unfortunate.
It's fine. It's fine.
That's unfortunate. But
we tried.
I think we managed it well.
Yeah, I agree.
$7 loss. And that's definitely not the biggest loss. Check 4-hour time frame. Yeah, it's it's above the 200 moving average, and it's about to close above 200 moving average. So if that happens, it's a very bullish signal. So then we don't want to be short. We don't want to be short. But this is looking nice. A sweep of this, yeah. And then it creates the fair value gap. Yeah. This is typical. Oh, it was the fair value gap here, you mean? Sweeping this one, fair value gap here. Oh. Yeah. What's this floating trade doing? Oh, I know. It's from a previous trade. Yeah, now it's gone. I mean, the drop down is possible, but it's not a 3. No, it's not a 3-minute entry. That's true. Now, look, I mean, this is going to go. Yeah. No, I'm just going to not look at this anymore. We've missed the trade, or at least we've played the recovery well. It was a large loss, of course, and now it's a minimal loss. And we might be looking into closing in our profit.
Ooh, beautiful rebound. Almost reaching the target, so
yeah.
Perfect trade. Look at you. You took the deep.
We're there.
Deep of the deep.
Hey. Perfect trade. Perfect. Oh. Ow. Oh well. This would have made, if we had placed it here, we would have made back what we lost on the other one. But oh well.
Let me check. Yeah, we close. No,
I think we're
not
down.
total recovered, but yeah.
I think we're down 1.5%, maybe.
Let me update our banner.
Mm-hmm. 2%, maybe. No. I will trust that it will be updated in a minute. Oof.
Yeah, here. Let's show everyone. So trades, 50% win rate, PnL minus 1.42.
Oh, not bad. Not bad. Considering we were in a loss of 10%.
Yeah. Considering last time you made a 20%.
Hey, you can't win every week. I mean, we get close to it, but you can't. It's impossible. You can't win every trade.
The market is always up and down, as life,
and
cycle, and seasons.
And it's always out to get you. In case you're wondering, how do you get it so quickly on the chart? I'm using a preset. Can we get in? Yeah. There, how's the RSI doing? Ooh, not at the exact right location. Stochastic, at least. Volume was here. Volume slowed down, so that's good. That means that we could see people taking the profits and selling off. Definitely volatile.
It looks similar to SQD, this chart.
Yeah, but not entirely. SQD was like trading on that Bollinger Band for a long time.
Oh yeah.
And this is only just starting.
Yeah. We are
but I do expect it to recover or to bounce back at least to this line. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna go in. Yeah, why not? Let's just risk it. Hey. Don't be going away from me now. Okay. We're in. Stop loss out of the way. We're in. And we're going down.
Last trade for today.
Yeah, that's the last new trade. We'll see if we can manage it.
We still have H open, right?
H is still open, yeah. That's still moving sideways.
Oh yeah, it's the sideways phase. So yeah, like
it's creeping up to this one. This looks like a better move, actually. Bottom out. Like this was topping out, and this one's bottoming out. So this looks slightly more bullish to me.
Yeah.
Also had a lot of volume here, and the volume is just taken out. So I think we might see some bulls stepping in a minute. And here volume is lower again. Let's see if we can make this a real quickie. I mean, technically this is more like it. If we want to go quick. H is still at a loss.
Still ranging. I think it will take a bit of time for H to break some structure.
Let's look at the 1 minutes. You can see better candles.
Ooh, look how it perfects rebounds on the middle.
Yeah, but it's here, so that's low. When it reaches that, I'll probably lock in some profits. H.
Ooh. Good sign. Good sign.
H.
I like this candle.
Yep. Me too.
But there is no volume.
No. No, this is not what we want to see on this one. 15-minute. Again, 15, like hour 200 moving average. Oof. Risky business.
Flashback. It reminds me SQD.
Yeah, but at least now the second buy is at that level. Hey, oh, that was, yeah, we already had that.
Yeah, we are out.
Let's close this tab because we don't need it.
Yeah, we can kill it. So slow H and no volume.
No volume. We might have to just set a stop loss higher and just be done with it. I don't really want to be going here anymore now. Yeah. If it was the beginning of the live stream, we would do it, but not now. Like, probably get out there. Yeah. I'm okay with that. And actually, because we can, follow price. Start trading when you're here, and you can follow it like so. Yeah, it's fine. All right, so we've got our bases covered. We've got the exit, we've got the profit lock-in running, and we've got our take profit in case it goes there. And then we can safely walk away. Is this still? Yeah, nice. I was just checking, like, in case you're wondering what is he doing. But I'm testing the new feature where the stop loss is also on the exchange. You can see that here because it's open and it's not pending. Otherwise, it would be pending.
Cool. I didn't know about that.
Yeah, if you're doing it, you're wondering like, why do I see pending and why does he see open? That's because I'm testing the feature to make sure that it works before we give it away. Even if you're from Austria, you're welcome to join our community. We have an English-speaking community as well. And you're more than welcome to ask any questions. As you can see, Roman is also here to help us with any questions not specifically related to what we're doing here. I think we're hitting that 200 moving average. It looks like it would be nice if we just get a bounce off it. Just dipping into trading and learning. Well, you found the best platform to do that because you can do the backtesting. I think right now backtesting is about 60 euros for the year. Something like that, 70 euros maybe. For a full year, you can do unlimited backtesting. And if you've done that for a full year, you'll be a pro when the market's back into its bull market phase. And obviously, if you're comfortable after a few months of backtesting, a few months of trading, paper trading maybe, then you could already hook up your live account. But in the meantime, I mean, you don't have like this platform. I know it's like could be a bit pricey if you're starting to learn, but you know, going to university is also pricey. So sometimes learning something costs a little bit of money. But with the backtesting feature at a very reasonable price, not many platforms exist for backtesting crypto. They do exist for Forex and other types of platforms or other types of markets. But purely for crypto, still a little bit lacking. And obviously, if you then use the backtesting tool, then once you're finally comfortable with trading, then you'd have to learn a new platform because then you're starting to trade for real and it's all different. But here, if you use the backtesting tool from Altrady, it doesn't matter. It's the same thing as you would be using it live or backtesting. It really doesn't matter. Well, I'm glad you already bought in. Yeah. And the exchange systems are indeed lacking. That's the whole reason why we exist. But even then, like the ability of like we trade multiple exchanges, right? So why would you have to learn how multiple exchanges work when you can just trade everything from one terminal in the same way and backtest them in the same way and set alerts in the same way? No need for juggling between TradingView, Binance, OKX, Bybit, Toobit. Just open up one
MetaTrader.
MetaTrader. Just open up one terminal. This one, and you're done. One mobile app, not 7. I mean, need I go on? Free live streams every week, webinars about how to blow your account on Binance futures.
Come on, we move $170 to over 250, so that is not blowing up.
Oh yeah. And we're showing you real trades, right? We're not showing you fake trades, paper trading trades, and only show you winners. Can you make it assets between exchanges from Altrady? Unfortunately, due to regulations, we cannot. technically it's possible, but regulatory wise, no. And it's not worth it to get regulated because we've looked into it. It's hella expensive. To create an all trading exchange. Well, you get into the same situation even if it's a DEX. If you're the one offering it in the EU, gotta have that registration and liquidity. I mean, starting an exchange, can you imagine? Even the ones that have been established for years struggle to get the volume. Is there a way to code indicators into it like TradingView? Not yet. Not yet. And I say not yet, and that's because we're working on it. Say what? Yeah, we're working on it. It will be months, but we're working on it. Hopefully by the end of the year, we'll have a fully featured PineScript alternative inside AllTrading.
That will be a real game changer.
Oh yeah. Yeah, there really wouldn't be a need. Like if you're only trading crypto, there really wouldn't be a need to use TradingView because maybe you have some things like that you want to check, like the dollar index, or maybe maybe Bitcoin dominances or things like that. But yeah, but you can use the free TradingView for that. Architecture like Node.js front end, some Node.js backend services with a Redis execution queue. Well, that's a little bit more complicated than that. And also, we're not using Node.js on the backend. Thank God. It's too slow for us. We're hardcore. We use Python. No, we don't use Python.
Visual Basic.
Yeah, VB script. We're coding everything in Excel.
Or what is that? Arduino. Or is the
Arduino.
code? Yeah, machine move. Yeah?
That's actually quite efficient and fast.
I'm not a coder or developers, but I studied at high school some basics about Visual Basic and Arduino. I remember that time.
Arduino is quite fun.
Yeah. I mean, you can do a lot of things just using Arduino code.
Yeah. I've got an Arduino board, and yeah, you can do fun things with it. No, we're not Java gang.
Java gang.
We're using Rust because we're the flashy kids on the block. Wow. This is really like I'm almost asleep. Food from Java is okay. Yeah. I take it you're Indonesian then. Golang. No, I don't like Golang. Never liked it. But it doesn't matter what I like. It matters what
the chart is doing. It's just frozen in standby mode.
So am I. It would like really. It's quite annoying that we just missed this on a few pips, because this was the high was 1882 and we're at 1886. Maybe we get it now. Just a quick grab and then get the crash. How's doing? Jesus, it hasn't moved since we bought in, but the Bollinger Band is very, very, very narrow. Very, very narrow. 50% Dutch, 25% French, and 25 Italian. Oh, so not Indonesian. Definitely not. And 25% Italian. Oh, you can speak to Raffa in his native language then.
I never heard about Java, so I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, Java is an island on Indonesia.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm. But they have a lot of islands, so a lot of names.
Mm.
Hey, aren't we filled then? Yes, I was gonna say 1889. I saw.
One last question for you, Ben. Can you describe the Bollinger Band more, please, for David?
The Bollinger Band is a moving average with a standard deviation. So you have a moving average and then a standard deviation. So the bands are the same on the either side, and then the standard deviation is how far it moved away from the middle line, giving you an indication of where the price usually sticks between, because it usually moves between the Bollinger Bands. If it moves out of the Bollinger Band, it's usually an indication of it being imbalanced, price imbalance. Same as when it's oversold and overbought. So right now we're in the overbought situation, so we're expecting it to go down. Like, even if we moved outside of the Bollinger Band right now, that would be even better. And then we get a sharp reaction to the downside. That would be best.
That's cute.
So it depends on a small and long moving average length. No, it's just a single moving average and then a standard deviation of the moving average. And standard deviation is like a normal a normal distance from the moving average. And it's a lagging indicator.
So I'm waiting for you to join my live streaming in Italian.
Yeah. That's where he does that. That's where you do it by yourself, because obviously I have no idea what you're saying during those sessions. Every now and then I hear old tradie in it, but it's like, hey, I know that word.
Pizza, pasta, that's it.
Or take profit. You use take profit, right? You don't use the Italian word for take profit. I mean,
yeah, I mean, for trading, we just use English words because trading is from America. I mean, actually, it's from London. So the first exchange made in London.
Actually, the first exchange is in the Netherlands.
Oh, yeah. That's true. The tulipans crash from Netherlands, the big crash in history.
Back in the day when they were carving stocks and shares into wood. That was crazy. I mean, I remember it. I'm not that old. But yeah, no, it's a Dutch thing. Trading. That's how we made millions in the trading era. Also, how we got our bad reputation in some countries, which apparently we still have to apologize for. But yeah. So trading is in our blood. Yeah. I suppose. Well, the Dutch people are generally, we don't produce much apart from food. So we have a lot of export of food. And the other biggest export that we do is services and trading. Like we buy a lot of stuff imported through the ports of Rotterdam and Amsterdam airport and then sell it to other places in Europe. So yeah. Dutch people are traders for sure. This one's in profit. Finally.
Yeah, we can lock in. We can lock in.
We're almost into the trailing stop loss. Yeah, that's the trailing stop loss. What bad reputation. I think like in the 1600 there was some slavery here and there. I think like that's from Indonesia that I was talking about before. That's where a lot of the like the colonials, like we had a lot of colonies all over the world. And yeah, by today's standards, we weren't very nice to those people. So the Dutch have a very big history in, yeah, colonizations here and there. Obviously, we had New Amsterdam, New York, and that was traded for Suriname. Not sure that was the best trade ever, but in hindsight, it wasn't. Because Suriname was also a colony of the Netherlands. Now they recently celebrated their 50th year of independence. In case you're interested, it was this week. It's like, how do you know all that? I just know some events that happen in a week. Don't ask me next week; I would have forgotten it. But
it depends how you wake up.
Yeah, like this is like a lot of resistance here. We just needed to drop. At least drop far enough so that I can lock it in and go home. Because I can't leave this unattended. I might have to just take a loss and just say, you know what, we'll try again next time. This one is almost into a position where we can't go wrong. Right now, if this one would hit, then we would hit a small loss, very small loss. That's okay. No, link, just like, yeah. Or Lisk. What is it called? Lisk, yeah. 1 hour. Yeah, it's also above that. But look at this fair value gap. It's going to take a long time. What's the liquidation price here? 26. Yeah, that's quite high. But it's not a strange thing, actually. So we need to be careful with this one. I really can't let this one sit by itself. But there we go. There we go.
Oh, satisfaction.
So now we can safely say that we don't want to be back into a bigger loss. So we'll close it there if it happens. And if it so happens that we can, if we get here, I will lock it in profit. H is also almost in profit. How much profit do I need to get back? Like how much, what is the actual net loss?
Do you need around $3 to be break even?
No, we're close then.
Yeah.
250, 280.
Yeah.
I mean, this one I'm just going to let ride anyway. And this one, I like where it's going. I have to pick.
You can wait.
Yeah, you can wait. He's fine.
Kids, they are doing mobile on their phones as well.
No, he's being taken care of. And I can pick him up till 6, and it's only a 10-minute cycle. So I'm usually there early, but I would love to see this one just like poof. As fast as it went up, we want it to go down. Come on. Come on. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it.
Oh my god, we are making $4 on LSK. So it's much above the break even.
We're now $6. If we close everything.
So from red to profit at the end of this streaming.
Yep.
I mean, H is lock, right? Because you have trading.
It's going to be either right now. It's either going to be break even or it's going to be some profit.
Nice.
But it's not going to be a loss. So if we can close this one, like it's there. So this is fine. I'm happy. I can go. I'm happy. I can go home. Because we would be getting, let's see, $2 and this one we would be getting 20 cents. So about $2. Yeah.
I mean, if the situation goes wrong, the minimum profit is $2. But if it goes the right side, could be like $10 because the take profit is still so far on LSK, right?
The take profit is still there. So the profit's going to be $3 right now. Or
like $10
or 14.
14.
Wouldn't that be amazing?
Yeah. Any case is almost break even in the worst case, or an interesting, a good profit in the best case.
Gonna lock in some more. It's just Yeah, I'm just gonna lock in more. $5 is fine with me. We might get out, but at least then we would have ended the stream full in the green. But it would be amazing if we hit the 184 line. If we hit this line, let's switch to 1 minute.
So, wow. Okay, I'm going to update our calculation.
I'm gonna lock this one in as well. This is just so you could lock in 130 plus plus 350 for. Let's grab some more. Let's just grab some more. $5.
Around $6. Around $6.
Yeah, we're out. Hey.
Oh, we are out. Nice.
Yeah, $5.5.
All right. Ooh, okay. $5.4, and we also have H that is over $2. So is
yeah, but
okay.
the profit lock-in is at 130, so you can just write down 130, and then we'll end the stream there. Let's see with the final tally. How did our SQD trade go? Do we want to see that? Oh, look at that! Look at that!
Okay,
I'm happy with that. $1.4%. Nice.
Beautiful.
With some more to go. Like we could even see $7 extra. So we could see massive profit. All right. Anyway, that's it for me. I have to go now. And yes, another stream in profit. That deserves an applause. Okay, calm down. Yeah, thanks.
Profit. Yeah.
Profit. All right, everyone. Thanks again for watching. Thanks again for the big chats. We've had a nice conversation here. Even though maybe I bored you guys to sleep with some history lessons. But you got those for free. And you can fact check them on Wikipedia.
It is useful. Everything in trading is useful.
All right. Thank you, Rafa, for joining me. And
yeah, thank you. Thanks, everyone.
Thanks. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Oh, and don't forget, Black Friday sale. It ends. It's really ending. Get it. All right. See ya. Bye-bye.